Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. I've been thrift shopping for 30 years. My wardrobe is full of secondhand clothes and it's rare that I buy something new. My passion is transforming unwanted garments that nobody wants and are destined for landfill. In this video, I joined a cute spotted top with a gorgeous collar to an old skirt using an elastic waist. The top cost me $3, the skirt was given to me. The first step was to cut off the sleeves of the top to make them shorter. After cutting the first sleeve, I then fold the top in half using the first sleeve as a template to cut the next one. I pin the new sleeve hems and then it's over to the sewing machine to finish them off. The top is made of a stretchy polyester fabric. Because I'm going to add elastic to create a puffy sleeve, I don't have to be too fussy sewing a perfect hem. Then I cut my 2 pieces of elastic to size, which I'll thread through the sleeve hems. I've added simple step-by-step instructions on how to do this in many of my other upcycling videos, so visit my channel to check them out. Next, I cut out the underlining from the skirt. I removed and saved the original zip because you never know when you're going to need a zip. This was also an opportunity to reduce the size of the waist. Then I pinned the top to the skirt. This is never an easy process. I don't sew from scratch or use patterns, so for me it's always a matter of trial and error, pinning and unpinning until I get it right. After sewing the top to the skirt, next I cut my waist elastic to size, being sure to cut more so I can join them together to form a waistband. If you've never sewn a waistband to a garment before, the process is actually quite simple. First, on the waistband, mark with chalk the 4 quarters around the circumference. This is done by first folding it in half, then into the first quarter and then the other quarter. Next, you do the same on the garment where you'll be attaching and sewing your new waistband. I'm using pins to do this. Then you pin the corresponding quarters on the elastic waistband to the marked quarters on the garment. Then it's over to the sewing machine to sew the waistband to the dress. When you're sewing the elastic waistband to the dress, you need to pull the elastic so it stretches to the fabric of the dress. After sewing, you're left with a gathered edge of fabric that's joined to your elastic, and voila! There you've got an elasticized waistband. And here is the finished dress. Because I left the top a little roomy, it slouches over the waist so you can't see the elastic waistband. Looking at these photos now, I think I'd add some darts to fix the gathering at the top of the skirt and make it more tailored. What do you think of the finished result? Should I have done it differently? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to consider embarking on a project like this. If you love thrifting and watching how other people upcycle clothes, subscribe to my channel for regular updates. See you next time.